Everybody, you've all been asking for it. Where's unroasted turkey? I'm back today with more burps, so let's get into it. Oh, let's get some more. Just keep going. Let's try and get some more big ones. Just a small one. There's a lot trapped inside me now, so I should get some more big ones. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Let's try and get just a few more big ones. That's a pretty good one. Let's try and get one more really big one. Now, usually before I end the video, or after I end the video, there's always a lot trapped in me, so I'll try and get this last big one in just before the video ends. So let's just try a couple more. I think that's just about it. Thanks for watching. I'll try and get this last one in just before the video ends. Peace.